Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT R15 Pro, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, we'll need to open up the standalone contacts app, which is this one right over here. You can also find it when you pull up the app tray. You can see contacts. And when you open it, you want to tap on the three bars right over here and go to the settings, where you'll see import options somewhere at the bottom. And once you tap on it, you will have two options of import. Now there is a VCF file, but I'm just gonna touch upon the SIM option, so that's what I'm gonna select. And then once you do, you will see all the contacts that are located on, well, the SIM card. Now by default they will all be selected, assuming they don't repeat. So repeat meaning that they are already not on your device. If they are, they will become deselected and unable to be selected. But also, if you don't want some of the contacts that are selected, you can simply tap on them to deselect them. And from there, tap on the check mark to confirm it, and that will import all the selected contacts to your contact list. And that is how you import them. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.